Today we have 3 mystery boxes: blue, pink, or black. Pick one and test your luck. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's begin. Find your dream home. Where would you live? Pick your dream car. Which ride is yours? Ready for takeoff? Choose your plane. Adopt a cute teddy. Which one is yours? Claim your castle. Live like royalty. Grab a powerful laptop, work, or gaming. Step into style, pick your shoes. Hop on a train, travel in comfort. Catch your bus, the best ride in town. Set up your tent, adventure awaits. Upgrade your TV. Movie night ready. Time for style. Pick a watch. Take a refreshing drink. What's your choice? Find the comfiest sofa. Sit back and relax. Feel the music. Choose your headphones. Shine bright. Pick your jewelry. Ride your bike. Speed and freedom. Pack a backpack, ready for adventure. Sail away. Choose your boat. Grab a slice. Which pizza wins? Drift into comfort. Choose a bed. Treat yourself. Pick a cake. Carry in style. Choose a bag. Stay cool. Pick sunglasses. Game in comfort. Select a gaming chair. Take a tasty bite. Choose a burger. Play some music. Pick a guitar. A funny pick. Choose a toilet. Rest easy. Select a pillow. Own your island, your private paradise. Escape to nature. Choose a tree house. Capture the moment. Pick a camera. If you enjoyed the game, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next adventure.